Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this VW remote key fob. What we need to do is we need to split the two halves of the case from top to bottom to gain access. So first, we put the blade into the upright position, and halfway down, you can see an indentation. So we get our large flat-headed screwdriver and we pop the blade into the indentation like so, and we give it a twist which splits the two halves of the case. And now we need to split it again. So we get our fingers and thumbs into the groove here, and we just prise it open like so. And there is your key fob battery. We just get a smaller screwdriver and we just prise it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We simply get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing, making sure that the writing is facing downwards on this one so we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time just to pop it all back together. So we get the other half of the fob, make sure it all lines up. We just click it in place. And now you get the top half, and again, just slide it down and click it in place. And there you go. It's all done.